on here real quick as we approach the end of the school year and talk to you about a couple different types of websites that I like to use with the students. This will be great for summer as they transition from second into third grade, just to kind of help them keep their math skills sharp, as long as well as having some fun while they're doing it. The first website that I want to talk about is ABC Yeah. It's just abcyeah.com, abcya.com. You'll come to a screen that looks like mine. This is a free website. You do not have to join. There's tons of games for kids to play that are on the free website. You could pick either grade 2 or grade 3, depending on where your students are math-wise. Grade 2 is going to just help them keep their skills sharp. Grade 3 might be some stuff that they don't know how to do yet. So let's just look at some grade 2 math games. So I'm going to click on the 2. I'm going to click on numbers, and I'm going to come here and explore. These are all great games that your students can play. There's interactive number charts, there's math bingo, money bingo. This is a lot of fun. We're going to be covering money next week. So this is something, if you want to get on and start exploring now, this is something that you could get on and start doing with them. So this is, again, abcyeah.com. And then the other one that I wanted to talk to you about is Happy Numbers. The website is just happynumbers.com. Again, that's happynumbers.com. We would come in and click on I'm a student, and there's going to be a class number that it's going to ask you to put in, and I will send that to you in a dojo message so that your students can have that at home, and I'm not putting it out there on the web for everybody to see. You put in that class number, and then your student would come in here and choose their name so that they can continue the math concepts of where they're at. They've all tested, and where they tested is where they will take off. So this is another fun game that students all really have enjoyed playing. Again, these are just 2 of the free websites that we like to use here in the classroom. If you have any questions about these, feel free to reach out to me on Class Dojo, and I would be happy to answer them for you. Again, I hope that you are ready to transition into summer because I think your students are. Thank you.